Right then, welcome to part 12 of the Shack Refit. So let's see, today is Saturday, it's St. Patrick's Day, and I've been flat out all week. So what's been done, the two doors have been glossed, and I took them down to do that. So they're done both sides, undercoat and top coat. All the skirting is done all the way around, and the architrave, the outside of these door frames will be done. I'll treat the utility room as a separate project because the door frame needs a bit of work on the outside, so that's why I didn't do it all. And we'll finish that off when we get in here done. What else has been done then? I painted the windowsill, and it was all kind of full of dents and stuff because this used to be a playroom when the children were small, and it used to get the bejesus battered out of it. So I went and I got some PVC, and nice and neat. I just have to stick the end caps on that, and that'll be that job finished. So what's next? I'm going to get the missus's desk back in and her computer set up and my computer set up, so I can get all these files uploaded from my phone and get them scheduled on YouTube so you can see them. Let's see, today a missed part of part 3 went up, so you've only seen part 3 today on St. Patrick's Day, and this is I think part 12. So you've got a bit of catching up to do by the time you get this far. So that's it for now. We'll get the desk back together, and I suppose we'll see you in part 13. This is George, EI7KO. Bye bye.